Google just rolled out a major update to Gemini Notebook, and it changed something that most people building SEO services are about to miss completely. This is not a model upgrade where things run a bit faster or sound slightly better. Google upgraded the model powering Gemini Notebook, making it better at processing large research collections, comparing multiple sources in a single session, and generating structured content outlines with citations from the materials you provide. And here's the part that changes the math for anyone selling SEO content. It now lets you generate or export formatted documents, spreadsheets with organized data tables, and clean PDF reports. Not screenshots, not rough drafts you paste somewhere else, actual client-ready deliverables you can hand off the same afternoon. At the very end of this video, I'm showing you the exact prompt structure that turns Notebook from a research assistant into something that produces files clients actually pay for. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I build AI systems that make money without the overhead most platforms force on you before you have earned a single dollar. If you want to see how I'm using stacks like this one to land real clients and get paid, I put together a course called The Two-Step Client Machine. It is normally $197, but if you are watching this video, it is under $30 right now. That pricing is only live for people coming from this video, so if you want it at that number, grab it while it is showing. It is linked in the description. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Here is what changed. Most SEO content platforms charge between $89 and $170 a month before you've landed your first client. I know what that pressure feels like. That's why this update matters. Gemini Notebook now handles larger research collections, compares multiple sources, identifies contradictions, and generates structured documents, spreadsheets, and PDF reports from the information you provide. Instead of jumping between multiple tools, you can move from research to a client-ready deliverable in one workflow. I am calling this the Intelligence Gap Protocol. You feed Notebook a rough starting point, a keyword, a client brief, a topic outline, and instead of just summarizing what you gave it, you direct Notebook to identify what is missing, you tell it to flag the gaps, then you guide it to fill them. That user-directed loop is what makes this different. You are not prompting it 12 times to get one decent draft. You prompt it strategically, and it executes each research layer you define. Open Gemini Notebook, upload your research, and tell it exactly what to compare. It highlights contradictions, identifies missing information, and organizes the findings into structured sections. Once the research is complete, ask it to generate the final deliverable, whether that's a content brief, landing page outline, spreadsheet, or PDF report. Think about what just changed for someone offering SEO content as a service. A local gym needs 10 blog posts to rank for neighborhood searches. You take their keyword list, drop it into Gemini Notebook, and direct it to analyze the competition, flag the gaps in what is ranking right now, suggest fresh angles, and structure the content calendar. That research phase used to take a full day of tab switching between tools. With this stack, it takes an afternoon, and you avoid paying for another recurring SEO platform subscription. You hand them a content plan formatted as a document or spreadsheet with organized topic rows and publishing dates. That is a $400 deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let us keep building. Most people stop right there and hand the output to the client. That is where it falls apart. The research is solid, the structure is clean, but there is one layer almost nobody sets up, and that is the verification step. Gemini Notebook will confidently structure research based on what you fed it, but you need to prompt it to cross-check. The paid SEO platforms handle this automatically with built-in fact-checking layers. Here's how you get it for free. After Notebook generates the content structure, you tell it to identify opposing viewpoints on the same topic. You direct it to surface conflicting sources and flag where the original research might be overstated or incomplete. You do not publish the conflicts, you use them to tighten the draft. That 30-second verification loop is the difference between content that ranks and content that gets flagged as AI slop. It also gives you a credibility edge when the client asks how you sourced the research. You are not guessing, you cross-reference. And here's where this opens up beyond just written content. Gemini Notebook now handles data organization. You upload a file with your client's ad spend, their sign-up conversions, or their traffic sources. You prompt Notebook to compare metrics across months and structure the findings. It organizes the data into clean tables, showing what is working and what is bleeding money. It correlates ranking positions with content publication dates. You then export that as a spreadsheet or PDF report with the findings already formatted. That is the same workflow you would pay for inside a dashboard tool, except you are running it for free and handing the client a polished report they can show their stakeholders. Most analytics platforms bundle this inside a plan that starts around $70 a month. Your version avoids another recurring software subscription, and you still charge the setup fee. And listen, if you have not grabbed the Two-Step Client Machine course yet, it is still under $30 for people watching this video instead of $197. That pricing disappears once this video stops pushing traffic to it. So if you want the full framework for turning tools like this one into actual client income, grab it now while it is showing that number. It is linked in the description. Drop a comment and let me know if you are taking me up on that. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture this: a real estate agent wants to break into a new neighborhood but has no idea what content angle will actually pull leads. You take Gemini Notebook, feed it the location and the service type, and prompt it to analyze what questions people in that area are asking online. You guide it to identify the gaps, the topics competitors are not covering, but search volume says people care about. You direct it to structure a landing page around that gap topic. Notebook generates the outline with problem sections, benefit blocks, and a call to action already formatted. You export it as a formatted document or PDF mockup. The agent sees it, approves it, and you charge $300 for the research and structure. The same capability inside a landing page builder with research tools attached would cost you $90 a month before you even landed that client. You ran it for free. Now, here is the specific thing I promised you at the start. Most people write a generic prompt and Notebook gives them a generic response. You get an outline that looks like an outline and a report that reads like every other report. Here is what changes that. When you prompt Notebook to generate a file, you tell it the exact output format, the exact section headers, and the exact tone the client expects. You do not say create a landing page outline. You say create a landing page outline for a real estate agent targeting first-time buyers in this zip code with 3 problem sections highlighting affordability anxiety, 3 benefit sections tied to down payment programs, and a call to action offering a free buyer consultation. You define the structure, Notebook fills it. That specificity is what makes the output look like something a strategist built instead of something an AI guessed at. And when you add the data organization layer, when you upload the client's traffic file and prompt Notebook to compare organic search growth against the months they published new content, you are handing them a report that shows correlation, structured clearly. That is a retainer level deliverable. And you built it without touching a paid SEO platform or a paid analytics dashboard. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. A plumber needs a content strategy to rank for emergency repair calls. You research the gaps, structure the topics, generate the calendar, and hand it over as a formatted spreadsheet with publishing dates and keyword targets already filled in. You charge $400. The next week, a fitness coach wants to know which lead magnets are actually converting versus which ones are just sitting there. You upload their email platform export, prompt Notebook to organize the analysis, and export a PDF report showing what to kill and what to double down on. You charge $300. The week after that, a local law firm wants 10 blog posts optimized for personal injury searches in their city. You use the same intelligence gap protocol, research direction, gap identification, structured filling, verification layer, and final output. You hand them the content calendar as a formatted document. They approve it. You charge $500. That is 3 clients, 3 different services, and $1,200 in revenue. The tools you used required no additional monthly software subscription. The platforms doing the same work would have charged you somewhere between $200 and $300 in subscription fees before you invoiced a single one of those clients. That is the difference. You kept the margin instead of handing it to the software stack. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.